How would you like instant money with a magic wallet? Begin attracting the money that you deserve and desire with this magic wallet method. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. Today we're going to have a little fun. I'm going to share with you my magic wallet method. It's pretty simple, but it does depend on a little bit of neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP. You kind of have to reprogram your mind a little bit, but you will turn your wallet into a talisman. A talisman is a symbol that is designed to attract something. In this case, we're talking about money. So high flyers, the first thing you're going to need is a wallet. And whether you use a woman's wallet or a man's wallet, well, that's really up to you. But a lot of people ask me about the color of the wallet. And so for me, a black wallet is appropriate because black allows you to hold on to what you have. It keeps what you have and what you've attracted in your possession longer. Now, that being said, if you have a white wallet, it brings in new energy. It brings in new opportunity. It brings in new sources for money. And if you have a green wallet, it ties your money to your passion. So if you have a dark green wallet and you have some deep passion about something you want to do to make money, that's the right wallet for you because it's tying your passion and your income together. And of course, a red wallet is always appropriate because it brings in energy and abundance. It's a symbol of will. It says, I have the will to attract incredible amounts of money into my life. So high flyers, the difference between a $1 bill and, for example, a $20 bill, or even a $100 bill, what is the difference? The difference is just the number of zeros. Now, that may not mean much to you, but I want you to think about this. It really means that money, whether it's $1 or $10 or $20 or $100, it's all the same frequency. But it's not the same amplitude. And that's important to understand. I've heard people say, well, it's all the same frequency. It all means the same. It does and it doesn't. It's the same vibrational frequency, but the amplitude is the amount of volume. For example, if you have a radio in your basement and that radio is tuned to 98.1, and you have it really low and quiet, you can barely hear it. And then you go out back and you've got a radio out back and it's tuned to 98.1, but it's blaring. The whole neighborhood can hear it. So think about this. They're both the same frequency, the exact same frequency, but the radio out and back has a higher amplitude. It has more volume. And so attracting $100, $1,000, hey, listen, if you can find a $1,000 bill, they used to make them, carry one in your wallet. It's a perfect talisman. So what I do is I try to put my hundreds in the back part of my wallet, and then my 20s. And then if I have 10s, I will put the 10s there, but I'll put my 20s next. And then I will put my lower denominations, my 5s, my 1s, and so forth. I try to keep my money in order. And I think that's important because it says that money is important to you. It's important enough to keep it organized. Look at your bedroom may not be organized. Your garage may not be organized, but your wallet needs to be organized. So keep your money in that order. Then next is I want to increase the amplitude. Remember I was telling you about $1 versus $1,000 or $100? I want my wallet to have more $100 bills. I want it attracting larger amounts of money. Now, honestly, some of the money, most of the money, it never even hits my wallet. It goes directly into my bank account. My wallet, understand this, high flyers, is merely a symbol. It activates the subconscious mind. Remember, McGregor Mathers said, by names and images, this is an image, by names and images are all powers awakened and reawakened. All powers. So your ability to attract large sums of money instantly, quickly, is released when you have turned your wallet into a powerful talisman for attracting whatever you desire when it comes to money, or I like to call it instant money. So think about this. This is very, very important. What you believe and conceive, you will achieve. Whatever you believe in your mind, and you've conceived it, you believe it, now you will achieve it. It's as simple as that. So I have to have belief in this wallet. Look at it. I can smell the money till I'm blue in the face, until I'm ready to pass out. I can oil my wallet. You've heard me talk about adding patchouli to my wallet, or sometimes some other oils, but generally a patchouli-based oil, okay, because it's very earthy. And earth represents abundance, and earth represents money, okay? So what do I want to do? I want to hold this wallet for just, if you'll do this for 5 minutes every day, you can do it in the morning, 5 minutes, you hold the wallet, but you see what I'm doing? I'm rubbing the wallet. I'm feeling the wallet. Remember, the difference between $1 and $100 is volume. Volume. I want to increase volume. And how do I increase volume, high flyers? Come on, you know. How do I increase volume? Sheena, do you know? Emotion. Emotion increases volume. So it's the difference between attracting a lot of $1 bills and a lot of $100 bills. Emotion. So I'm visualizing all the good. See, money by itself, it doesn't do a lot. You can't even use money for starting a good fire. But money is a medium of exchange. It's a vibrational energy that you can exchange for another vibrational energy. So in this case, I'm thinking about that new boat. Oh, okay, yeah. And I'm emotionalizing that new boat. I'm emotionalizing the new house. I'm emotionalizing that trip that I'm going to take to South America and the Caribbean. And I'm just seeing it. I'm feeling it. Feels good. I'm emotionalizing that new car. I'm emotionalizing my new wardrobe, my new increase of income. I'm emotionalizing money literally flowing to me easily and without effort. And I'm rubbing the wallet at the same time that I'm experiencing these positive pictures. Now you've got to emotionalize this. It's got to feel good to you. And then take the wallet, put it away, and give a little bit of gratitude. A little bit of gratitude. I'm grateful for all the money that has come into my life and all the money that is coming into my life. Now what I do is I carry this, and I've been carrying it for about 3 years now. It has made a huge difference, trust me. I carry this in my wallet. And I carry my money in order, so the hundreds are at the back, and then at the back of the hundreds is this gratitude. And oftentimes when I'm in a store and I'm using cash, I pull that gratitude out first. I want the storekeeper, the clerk, to see that gratitude. I want to pass it forward, pay it forward, send some of that gratitude energy to the clerk as well. But I'm grateful for all the money in my wallet. Now, I think it's also important to say that I don't want to have things disorganized with my credit cards. And I want to keep my credit cards down to about 2 or 3 that I carry, maybe even 1. And if you have other credit cards, put them in a separate wallet in a safe in your house. You don't need them. You don't need to carry around 50 credit cards and go pulling through all of it. I mean, if it makes you feel better, fine. But 1 credit card is all you need, okay? What you do need is you do need to have that emotional, positive experience with your wallet every time you pull it out. So every time I see this wallet throughout the day, for whatever reason, it attracts money into my life. It's just how it works. I had a friend who taught me this many years ago. He was an insurance salesman. He always had a $100 bill in his wallet. And he was never broke. But he said, Robert, that $100 bill, the same one, has been in my wallet for, 10 years, 11 years, a long time. He said, guess what? 11 years ago, when I put that $100 bill into my wallet, I couldn't afford to do it. Today, I'm rich. I'm wealthy. I live an opulent lifestyle. And so that $100 bill it doesn't scream as loud as the $100 bill did 10, 11 years ago. But you get the idea. So never have your wallet empty. Always have at least a $100 bill in your wallet. Now, if you want to nurture your wallet with some leather oil or some patchouli oil, which is what I do. I use patchouli oil for the most part with bayberry. I mix bayberry and patchouli together 50-50, and I anoint my wallet several times a year. And that way, when you pick up this wallet, oh, you smell the smell of money. I love the vibration of money. Hey, by the way, and when you go open up your wallet, every now and then say, I love the vibration of money. So if you do this right, high flyers, you'll instantly start attracting more money into your life. But more importantly, that money won't just end up in your wallet. It'll end up in your bank account, in your investments, in your business. It's just wonderful. Money's all over the place. Money is flowing everywhere. Believe it. Say I'm going to believe it for 28 days. No matter what happens, money is everywhere. It's easy to make. It's easy to come by. And this magic wallet method, it really works. Okay, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com/gratitude, and you will get our gratitude, the little thing that I have here. We have them on the website, and you can just print it up, cut it out, and put it in your wallet. Send me a picture of you holding your gratitude. I'll put it up on my Instagram, lawofattractionsolutions.com/gratitude. It's our little gift we know will absolutely help you, and it'll just remind you to feel grateful for all the money in your wallet. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.